yourself.
My name is Stephanie Sandoval. I am 20 years old. Um, I finished my studies in Sagrado Corazón de Jesus School. I live in Piura with my parents, my sister, and my brothers. I want to work because I want to help my family.
Could you tell me some your strength?
I feel glad I can work in a team. Um, I have good communication skills and I am working, responsible and reliable.
It sounds good, but do you have any weaknesses?
Yes, of course. I am a young, I lose control to work under pressure, but I took case and prioritize the activity.
How do you know about this job?
It is an important company in Sullana, but that it is important bananas abroad.
Excellent. The job is yours.
Thank you very much.